Most people will fail in 2025. Same goals, same excuses, and guess what? Same results. If you're serious about changing your life, really changing it, then stick with me. These 7 rules will either wake you up or leave you behind. Rule number 1: set ruthless goals. Most people set their goals like this. I want to get fitter. What does it even mean? That's not even a goal. That's wishful thinking. Here's how to do it right. Be specific, set a target, a deadline, and know what success looks like. Instead of, I want to make more money, say I will make $10,000 a month by June 2025. That's different. Then reverse engineer it. What skills do you need? What's the first step you need to take? If your goals don't scare you, they're not big enough. And that's so simple. Stop playing it small. Take yourself more seriously. Rule number 2: stop being a slave to your health. You think working 14 hours a day is a flex? It's not. Burnout isn't a badge of honor. It's proof you don't know how to manage your life, clearly. If your body and mind aren't optimized properly, you're finished before you even start. Here's the formula. Sleep 7 to 8 hours, train at least 3 times a week, weights, cardio, whatever keeps you moving. Fuel your body with real food, not trash, not McDonald's. Eat actual food, steak, raw eggs, veggies, fruits. Because here's the reality, if you don't have the energy to execute, your dreams mean nothing to you. Rule number 3: own your time like a CEO. This little thing, it's either your biggest weapon or your biggest weakness. Most of you are wasting hours scrolling, liking, watching people who are actually living their lives. You need to treat your time like a business. Audit your day. Where are you wasting your time? Cut it. Plan your day the night before. Wake up with purpose, not confusion. If you're not in control of your time, someone else is. Rule number 4: learn skills that actually pay you. Here's the truth no one tells you. The world doesn't care about your dreams. It cares about value. What do you bring to the table at the end of the day? If you're not learning a high-income skill, you're leaving money on the table. Copywriting, sales, coding, marketing. Pick one, master it, then monetize it to yourself. Stop wasting time on things that don't move the needle. Rule number 5: get financially ruthless. Let me guess, you're spending money on things you don't need, trying to look rich instead of actually becoming rich. Cut that out. Track your expenses. Save aggressively. But saving alone isn't enough. Invest, whether it's in yourself, stocks, or business. The goal isn't to work harder, it's to work smarter. Money is a tool. Use it to create freedom, not chains. Rule number 6: audit your circle. Look around you, the 5 people you spend the most time with. That's your future. If your circle isn't pushing you to grow, they're holding you back. Harsh but true. True spending time with people who are ahead of you, who inspire you, who make you uncomfortable in the best way possible. And if that means cutting out people off, so be it. Your future is more important than their opinions. And this is very crucial, as this happened to me a lot of times, even when I moved in here. So take that step very, very seriously. Rule number 7: embrace the grind with gratitude. Life's hard. That's not an excuse. That's a fact. But here's the twist. When you learn to love the grind, the hard days, the setbacks, you become unstoppable. Start every day by writing down 3 things you're grateful for. It's not just about saying positive, it's about building resilience. Gratitude keeps you grounded while you're climbing. Don't just chase the finish line. Learn to enjoy the race. It's not a race, first of all, it's a marathon. So, you're not going to wake up on January 1st and magically have a different life. If you don't act, nothing changes. Stop waiting for permission, for motivation, for the right time. The right time is now. Commit to these 7 rules, and I promise 2025 will be the year you stop surviving and start thriving. But it's up to you what you're going to do about it. Last but not least, I'm watching from afar and I'm rooting for you.